Hello everyone. In today's quick video I will show you how to open any app on your mobile phone with double press on your side button. With side button I mean power button on your Samsung Galaxy A34. So on this phone what you need to do is open settings and you need to find section advanced features. In advanced features you have this side button. And here you can clearly see that when you double press on your side button, you quickly open camera. But if you want to open an app and some app, you need to press this open app. And here at the right side, you can see this little settings icon. Click on this icon. And here you can choose any app on your mobile phone that you want to open on this gesture, on this yeah, it's kind of a gesture. So I will now, for example, select gallery, and now when I lock my phone and click 2 times on, actually I do not need to lock my phone, I can just click 2 times, and as you can see now my gallery is opened. We can try this one more time. I will choose some other application, for example Instagram. And now I will double press, so I will click 2 times on side button. As you can see, it is really fast. Instagram is opened instantly on my command. So that's all you need to do in order to open any app on double click on your power button on Samsung Galaxy phone. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.